Hey guys, this is Dr. Sanders at Voyage Direct Primary Care. I just wanted to address a shoulder impingement. We're getting towards the warmer months now, and it's very common for folks to start having some impingement of the shoulders. We often exercise our pec muscles throughout the wintertime to get ready for the beach in the summertime, and as we exercise our pecs, sometimes our shoulders will roll a little bit forward. They'll pull forward like this. Gravity also contributes to that, and can cause shoulder impingement. It can also cause some neck problems. If you watch, if our pecs are overly strong and tight, they'll roll our shoulders here and our neck back like this. Then we can have that sets us up for an issue in the lower C-spine and the T-spine as well. Shoulder impingement is very, very common. I love to play pickleball. I play a lot of pickleball, and one of the things is this overhead swing motion, and you'll have some impingement with that. Anything above the head. Things that make impingement worse: bench press, military press. Very common exercises, everybody likes to do those. What makes it better is to strengthen the posterior shoulder. So there's a couple exercises that I'd like to teach you, but first let's talk about stretching the pecs. So this pec muscle is very, very strong, and you gotta stretch it. So if you could put your hand against a door frame and then just rotate your body just like this. Say this is the door frame. You wanna rotate your body so you away, and you'll stretch that pec. I would take that up 30 degrees, and down 30 degrees from 90, and do the stretch to get the full depth and breadth of that pec muscle stretching. Secondly, to strengthen the posterior shoulder, there's a couple exercises. One is just to raise your hands above your head, standing against a wall, and then touch your thumbs to the wall and engage your back muscles and bring those thumbs all the way down, touching the wall, down to about your ears, and hold them. And do that several times, engaging these back muscles as you do that. That'll help just bring that shoulder, the glenohumeral joint, it'll just bring it posteriorly. The other exercises I like is if you have like a strength band or an exercise band and you want to just go straight back, that's super helpful. And then take that out about 30 degrees as well. Also very helpful. Strengthen this posterior shoulder. And lastly, supraspinatus, most commonly torn muscle in the rotator cuff. Really easy to strengthen with empty can exercises. So take your weights here in your hands, a can of beans or 5-10 pound weights, and empty them here, raise them up in front of your nose, and then lower them. It's called the empty can exercises. And do them on both sides, strengthen the supraspinatus muscle, and that'll help all your overhead swinging impingement problems, whether it's volleyball or pickleball, or I don't know what else you do overhead swinging wise, but other things. Hope this helps for shoulder impingement. It's one of my favorite exercise regimens and one of my favorite things to talk about. Hey guys, thanks for watching today. Hit the subscribe button for more great content every week. If you want to know more about Voyage Direct Primary Care, check out our website at voyagedpc.com.